If stress or anxiety has been making it hard for you to wind down for sleep, this is the class for you. Having a furry friend to practice with is optional, but strongly encouraged. Join me seated in Sukhasana, cross-legged seat, or any other position where you can sit up tall with a long spine. Lower shoulders away from your ears and close your eyes. Rub your palms vigorously to generate some heat, activating through energy centers in the hands. And now place your left hand to the back of your head where the hairline meets the nape of your neck, and place right hand over your forehead. Feel the warmth that you've generated and slow down your breath. Focus on the nurturing touch of your hands cradling your head. And silently check in with how you're feeling in this exact moment. Move left hand now to rest over your heart, right hand stacks on top, or perhaps you prefer to place right hand over your belly. Allow yourself to feel a sense of separation from anything that might have taken place throughout the day that's passed, bringing full attention to the present, the here and the now, the only moment that truly exists. We'll subtly explore shifting awareness between the senses, a powerful technique to help calm the nervous system. Notice what you can hear. My voice, sounds within the room or outside, the taste of the inside of your mouth, the scent of your immediate surroundings, perhaps you're wearing perfume, the sight of darkness behind your eyelids, or perhaps once attention has been applied there, colors and shapes begin to emerge. The sensation of clothes against your skin, the parts of your body that meet your mat. Lower your hands to your thighs and slowly trace your palms down to the knees and back up to the hips. Allow your self-touch to feel nourishing and calming, an act of self-soothing. Become aware once more of your surroundings. Pause, hands over knees. Dip your chin. Slowly blink open your eyes, softly gazing at a point that's not moving. Lower fingertips to the mat in line with your hips and dip your right ear towards your right shoulder to find a release in the neck. Option to place right hand over opposite ear to add a gentle weight. Perhaps you close your eyes here. In fact, maybe keeping your eyes closed throughout your practice if that helps you to relax. Release and change sides. Adding the weight of left hand over right ear if that feels nice. Release, lifting head back to center, sitting up tall. Cross your right arm in front of your chest, catching it in the crook of your left elbow. Notice if shoulders are up by the ears, see if you can lower them down to create a little bit more space. Reconnect here with your long, full breaths if you've let that go. Finding ease in the slow pace of this class, switch your arms. No expectations, nothing to achieve apart from just being here. Extend your arms out to the side and then cross right arm over left. Give yourself a hug. Really feel into this moment of touch, even if it feels silly. Maybe you really needed this hug today. You're here for you. Rock a little like you were rocking a baby. An option to stay in your hug, or join me for eagle arms, bringing backs of hands to touch, or also wrapping at the wrists, palms touch. Elbows in line with shoulders, and we'll find a seated cat-cow here. So inhale to lift your chest, lift your elbows, and exhale, slow motion round your spine, curl elbows in towards belly. 2 more times. Re-extend your arms and give yourself a hug, left arm on top this time. Return to your eagle arms, and we'll find the seated cat-cow. Slowly inhale to lift and exhale to round. Release and make your way onto hands and knees for a cat-cow, or take this opportunity to find intuitive movement. So moving in any way that your body wants today, perhaps making spiraling motions with the hips and the ribs, or shifting forward and back. No expectations, just movement your way. Eventually lower down to lie on your belly, resting forehead on stacked hands. Bend into your right knee and reach back for it with your right hand, drawing your heel towards your bum for a quad release. If the foot isn't within reach, you have the option to grab a yoga strap if you have one, or a rolled up t-shirt or a towel. Press your hip points down into the mat. Gently release the foot, avoid flinging it back, and change sides. Release, place hands underneath shoulders and press on back into a wide knee child's pose. Big toes to touch, knees out wide, sinking hips back to heels. Guide your attention back to your breath in this child's pose. As you breathe in, see if you can feel your low back expand, and exhale, soften throughout the body. Gently lift up and transition onto your back. Lift your legs into the air with knees bent, and cross left leg over top of right, stacking the knees and separating feet in opposite directions. Catch hold of your ankles, guiding knees in towards your chest any amount, aiming to find a release in the left glute. Breathe deeply into any sensation that you feel here. Uncross the legs and recross with right knee on top this time. Unwind and make your way into a happy baby, perhaps adding a gentle rock side to side. Release your feet, extend legs out long on your mat, and we'll set up for banana pose. Walk your feet over to the bottom left corner of your mat and shuffle shoulders to the top left, creating a banana-shaped curve with the body. Arms reach overhead, left hand catches right wrist, an option to cross your right ankle over top of left. Release any tension from your face, relax your jaw. Allow yourself to truly wind down from the day and just be. If eyes are closed, keep them closed as you gently shift your way into your banana shape on the second side, shimmying shoulders and feet over to the right, finding that curve. Gently roll onto one side and press yourself up into a comfortable seated position. We'll close this practice with a simple breathing technique designed to activate your parasympathetic nervous system to bring you into a fully relaxed state ready for bed. You'll use your thumb and ring finger of the right hand to alternately close either nostril. Tuck your index and middle fingers of the right hand into the palm or place them in the space between your eyebrows. Right thumb closes right nostril. Slowly and deeply inhale through left nostril. Pause at the top. Ring finger closes left nostril. Release thumb and exhale out the right. Reclose right and breathe in through left. Repeating this cycle. In through the left and out through the right, continuing this loop. In left, out right. And to bring steady focus to the breath, we'll count 10 breaths in and 10 breaths out, continuing the loop. 10 in, 10 out. 9 in, 9 out, 8 in, 8 out, 7 in, 7 out, 6 in, 6 out, 5 in, 5 out, 4 in, 4 out, 3 in, 3 out, 2 in, 2 out, 1 in, and 1 out. Lower your hand, place palms over your knees, and pause for a moment of stillness. Place both hands over your heart space and feel the rhythmic beating of your heart. I hope this practice has helped you feel a sense of peace and helped you to unwind, ready for a restful night's sleep. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you head off to bed, and return to this practice as part of your nighttime routine to gift yourself time to be in your body. Good night from me and Bruce the Bunny. Sweet dreams.